Good afternoon, Corey Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to do a walk around of this 2001 Dodge Ram 3500 flatbed manual Cummins. What we're going to do is we'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. And then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first we're just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you see, I'm going to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we do these video walkarounds. It saves a bunch of time on both sides. And you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus, it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options. Just give us a call or a text for further details. This one we did just get in. Mechanic literally just got done looking at it. A couple of things that still need to be done to it, but we'll get to those here in just a moment. As you can see, it has the tow mirrors there, the flatbed. Looks like some utility boxes here on the side. See, it's the dually there. Obvious, you know, tow pack. Again, get these angles in here for you. Yeah, the mechanic, I just spoke to him. He said it runs and drives fantastic for the year, you know, what it is. They do need to still do a couple of cosmetic things. Fix the driver's seat. Just got to wait for the seat repair vendor guy to come in and handle that. And then he ordered, he said, a clock spring. I'll show you here in just a second. But yeah, we'll get inside condition here. Roll up windows. See what I'm saying? The seat here. We got vendors that come in and repair this stuff. That'll be taken care of. So just keep that in mind. It'll look like that, but on that side. So just keep that in mind. Has a fold up there, so if you need to seat 6, you're able. Back seat here. It's like a rear slider. Let's get some features up front here. You know, for was this an 01? Yeah. People love these manuals. It looks like exhaust brake, aftermarket exhaust brake, stock stereo. You know, 4-wheel drive, aftermarket tow assist down there. And then let's see, let's pop the hood real quick, take a look at that, and then we'll turn it over. Just give me a moment here. Alright guys, now I do say this in my videos all the time, not a mechanic, not gonna pretend. That's why we have service. But I do like to get this in here for you the best I can. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you're looking at a few others, so you have an idea of what you're looking for. From what I understand, this is a really popular Cummins engine. Just keep that in mind. Just kind of it's in here the best I can. Well, hopefully that helps, guys. Let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. These are the keys here. Has, what does that say on there? No idea what that is. Let's go ahead and turn it over real quick. Focus for me. There you go. Make sure it's in neutral. Turn on the stereo there. Mileage there, as you can see. Alright, let's go back to the engine. I'll turn on some lights here. Well guys, hopefully this helps answer a few questions. my goodness. Well, hopefully that helped answer a few questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a text or a call. We are not into making buying a car hard by any stretch. So in saying that, I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business, guys. We'll see you next time.